Hello friends, welcome to my channel Book Lovers Club. Today we will go over the science of procrastination and provide you with actionable advice to overcome it. So let's start. Note that procrastination isn't in itself a sign that something is wrong with you. We all procrastinate. However, if you regularly suffer from procrastination, it may indicate you either have self esteem issues or you lack self discipline. Now, I would like to share a 9-step process to overcome procrastination. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it might first appear. Understand what's hidden behind procrastination. Look at the task you regularly procrastinate over. Why is that? I believe fear is the main reason people procrastinate, and the mind tells you the best way to avoid fear is simply to do nothing. In other words, to procrastinate, another reason you procrastinate is because the task is difficult. You want to avoid pain as much as possible and maximize pleasure. You may also procrastinate because you lack motivation. Spend time identifying all the reasons behind your procrastination. Be honest with yourself. Uncover your excuses. The next step to overcome procrastination is to identify the story behind it. What are you telling yourself when you feel the urge to procrastinate? What thoughts cross your mind? What excuses do you use? Some common excuses are I am too tired, I will do it tomorrow, I will do a poor job, it's not really important. Let's address some of these excuses right away. Rewrite your story. Look at your excuses. Are you too tired? Do you lack time? Now that you have identified your story, create a new, more empowering story to neutralize your old excuses. For instance, if you say yourself, I don't have time for that, then replace it by I find and make time for whatever I am committed to. Record everything you do. To assess your productivity, record everything you do in a notebook. Do it for 1 week. Each time you switch from one activity to another, write it down. Make sure you write how much time you spend on each task. By the end of the week, you will know how much time you spend doing real work and how much time you spend distracting yourself. Be careful, you might be shocked. Prepare your environment. Your mind doesn't like what's difficult. It wants things to be easy. This makes sure you remove any friction or obstacle so you can work on your task immediately. For instance, if you want to run, have your running gear ready next to your bed so you can go run right after you wake up. For computer related tasks, remove all distractions from your desk and make sure you can access all the files you need immediately. Start small. Instead of putting a lot of pressure on yourself, why not start small? Rather than writing 2 pages of your manuscript, maybe you can write one paragraph. Rather than exercising for 1 hour, why not start with 5 minutes? Making your task smaller will help you overcome procrastination. So, whenever you have an option, make sure you start small to reduce the pressure. Just get started. The best way to enter a flow state is by getting started. To make it easier, decide to work on a task for only 5 minutes and see what's happened. Remove any pressure or desire to perform well and give yourself permission to do a poor job. You will often end up working on the task for a lot longer than originally planned. Create daily habits to support you. If you tend to procrastinate on important tasks, commit to working on them first thing in the morning. For instance, if you want to write a book, start writing every morning. Use visualization. Visualize yourself doing the task. See yourself turning on the computer, opening the file, and writing. Imagine yourself putting on your running shoes and going for a run. Visualize yourself Having completed the task, how would you feel once the task is done? Liberated, happy, proud. By doing so, you will experience a boost of motivation that will encourage you to work on your task. If you follow this 9-step process, you should be able to overcome or at least significantly reduce your tendency to procrastinate. See you soon with more great videos. Thanks for watching.